Hi there, welcome to this tutorial. So let's just get started with why we're here. Okay, so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how you can save your PSD file, how you can locate, upload, download, edit, share, and all of that. That's what I'm going to do in this video. So I might break it down into two videos. So first of all, I've opened this particular design I made some time ago. I'm going to save it again as a project just to guide you. Maybe you finish the design, you want to save it as a project first. So name it well so that you can locate it when you save it as a PSD file, a PLP file rather. Okay. So if you want to subscribe to this channel, this is the right time to do that. Hit the subscribe button and so I share this video if you find it useful. Okay. So I'm going to name this as Kelly's free PLP by Chris Graphics, and that's because I'm going to give out this PLP for free. And this for one of our creatives in our creative community, an admin who celebrated his birthday. So I'm going to click that share. All right, it's saved as project. Don't forget what I just did. I just clicked the share. Notice what happened. It's saved as a PLP file. Do you understand? So, okay, like I said, this is for Kelly, and this is celebrate his birthday. I think that was supposed to be April 12th. So it has saved as PLP file, as .plp file. So once you click that share, you don't even need to do anything. It will just save as .plp file. So I have closed everything so that you will know that nothing is there in Pixellab again. So we are going to locate the file. Go to your file manager and locate the file there. That's exactly what we're going to do. So I'm going to go to Pixellab folder. So for me, I have a lot of files here. So to search for it, you either search for it or I'm going to sort by type. All right. So once I sort by type, that type will come up. Can you see Kelly's free PLP by Chris Graphics? Can you see it? So that is the file. So if you want to share it to somebody, you can share it as a document, maybe on WhatsApp, through Xender or anything. For me, since I'm going to give it to you, I'm going to load it on my drive. So I'm going to load this on drive and then I'll show you how you can download it. Do you understand? And also how to open it with your own Pixellab, how to open it with your own Pixellab and also edit it. Okay. All right. So once it's loaded to drive, you can download it, and this is how I'll share the link with you. Check the description of the video and you are going to see the link right there. So when you click the link and you open it, download it as I've shown to you here. Do you understand? Download as I've shown to you here and you are going to see it. Okay. So I'm just trying to put it up there for you. So happy birthday in advance, Kelly. It took a while. I was really engaged, so I couldn't do this on his birthday. He's an admin in our design community, a very good guy from Ghana, and this is a special video for him and a special gift from him to all of you guys. Okay, so once you get your access here, it's loading, it's going to load. So it has loaded into the drive. So I'm going to share the link like I said. So once you open it, you click the three dots. So it's just a very simple stuff. Some of you, I don't know why you find it difficult to download from. Click these three dots. Okay. I'm going to show you. It's just so simple. Click on download. That is just as simple as that. So now, if you open Pixellab, now I'll show you how to open it, and I want to break this video into two. Okay. So what you're going to do for me is just make sure you watch the next video. I have like 2 or 3 videos. Can you see it as downloaded? Yes. So check the next video to see how to open it in Pixellab and how you can also edit it. I have 2 videos and I'm going to link them together for you. Bye bye.